Hey guys, today we're going to be rebuilding my house. Okay, so first up I'm going to delete all these things, those items. Alright, nearly done with everything. Okay, so first up, I might be doing the color of my walls. So, I might make this room here. I might make that, I don't know what that's gonna be, but yeah, I'll leave that for sure. I'm definitely gonna leave that. Oh wait, this might be the little sister's room, so I'm gonna do that. Oops. And then I might do this as the sister's wall color. So first up, I might do this wall. So that's her bed right there. And then, I might do this as some shelving. Next, I'm going to do maybe this, like. Maybe like a little, yeah, maybe like that, so then she can reach there. Maybe, I don't know, maybe that will not be, nah. I should make this the twins room then. Maybe this could be the twins room? Yeah, this could be the twins room right here. Okay, so this is going to be the twins room right here. So first up, I'm going to do, I might do the bed. So, alright, so this is going to be Mackenzie's room. So that's Mackenzie's bed. And then this is Maddie's and Luca's. Right. And oh my gosh. Okay, now I might do a white carpet to match. And now I might do some shelving. First up, let's do that. Yeah, that's okay for now. I might move the beds over here. Nah. Yeah, that's okay there. Alright, wait, maybe I can do that. Alright, that's okay. Yeah, like a triple bed. Alright, that's okay. I'll do that. Oh no. What did I just do? Come on. Whatever, that's annoying. There we go. Alright, so that's the twins room. Well, that's the twins bed. All done. Bed. Now I will do the shelving. So let's do that. And maybe I can add, maybe like that for the iPad maybe? Yeah, maybe, I don't know yet. So I might add this, that, yeah, that's okay. And then I might add some of these clothing hangers, so they, yeah. Alright, there we go. I might move this over to here and move that down. Go and then move that right over there. That's for the iPads, definitely. No, the iPads can go in the beds. Maybe I can do like a little, maybe like that, and then I can start doing like different ones, or like that. One to like hang stuff up. So then if they want to like hang stuff up, maybe. Whatever they want, they can do whatever they want. Alright. I might add like a flying, one of my favorite little items, which is my favorite, the flying couch. That can go right there. Next up, I might do, which is, I do this. Yeah, I can go right there. Then this right there. There we go. That's good. Next up, I might do some lights. Alright. There we go. I might add like the disco ball. Yeah, that's okay. And then I might add some starlights. Alright, that's actually looking really adorable now. There we go, maybe love heart. Alright, now I'm going to do a camera. One camera. Maybe they can have their iPads on the beds now. So let's put their iPads on the beds. There we go. I'll just leave that and plop. There we go. Alright, that's good. Now I might do... Oh yeah, definitely some coloring in because like, they love coloring in. So that means I might do a table. Yeah, okay. Let's do a table. Now the 3 chairs. 1, 2, yeah, 1, 2, 3. No, pink. Come on. Why? There we go. Alright, that's better. That is better. Oops. Now what should I do? Maybe I should do some coloring in. Go. Alright, let's do some coloring in now. Let's get some coloring in stuff. We should definitely do that. Okay, let's do some coloring in stuff. Alright, so let's do this, that, and go. Oh. No, come on. There we go, so that's done. Now let's do another one. Alright, now let's do another one. Alright. I think I should do like maybe one of these up there. Yeah, that's okay. Now I'm gonna do yellow. And I do that. So Luca hates coloring in, but I'll just do 2 staples just in case if yeah. And that makes me, oh my gosh, what the heck? What? That and oh my gosh. Come on. That and yoink. Done. Alright. Now we can get maybe some of these that they can like chill on. Yeah. Alright, next up they're gonna have like a toy box. So I'm gonna go into boxes. Oh my gosh. And then I'm gonna get a toy box. It's a little way too big. I'm gonna do that one. That's okay. Come on. Oh my gosh, this is so annoying. Right, there you go. Next up, I can do those things, and they'll play a lot of things, but maybe I might do the basketball. They're gonna pretend keys. Maybe a music player that can be. Oh my gosh, a music player can be. Wait, so the toy box right there, and then the music player in there too. There we go. That's good. All right. I think that might be it for this one. Next up, I might do the mom and dad. Bathroom. Yep. Bathroom. Alright. Okay, bathroom. Next up, I'll do the toilet. So, oh gosh. Go. The mirror. Go. Next, they can have like Whoops, whatever. Yeah, whatever. Oh my gosh, whatever. Next up, I can go back onto bathroom, and then I can do the skincare and makeup. And then next, I can do this. Oh my gosh. What? And then skincare. Done. Next up, I can add some extra shampoo and conditioner, and I'll add an extra toilet paper. Done! Alright, well, next, oh my gosh. So for this, and I might do add some cleaner. No, why would I even need that? Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna put that in there. There we go. And that's right there. Right, next up, oh my gosh, I might do next up will be maybe the color, yeah, so white, is that white? Yep. And that go. Now I might leave this, but now I definitely want to do my balcony. And done that. Now I'll do the plant. Alright, so let's do one. And I'll turn it over like that. There we go, that's good for now. Good for now though. But next up, I might do, oh my gosh, go, no clouds, but I'm definitely going to make the balcony pink then. Yeah, okay, that's okay. That's really cute. Okay, next up, I'll just put that like that for now. Next up I might do the kitchen and the mom and dad's room maybe? No. Nah, whatever. Yeah, the mom and dad's room. So I'll do the mom and dad's room right here. Go. No, why am I doing that? Okay. There we go. Now I'll do this. There we go. Now I can do like a light there. Oh my gosh. Okay. Maybe I'm going to go into the bedside tables and get that, and then I'll go into this. Okay, then I get some skincare. Alright, skincare down there. Yoink. And then I can do that, and then I can finish off with the makeup palette and some perfume and a brush. Add like a little mirror right there. No, I'm not gonna add that, but I'm going to add definitely a TV. Alright, that's okay. That's good. Now, add like more shelving. Okay. I don't know what else I'm going to do, but I already have this and this. And I have the skincare and that. And I have this, maybe that. Or should I choose? Should I change this? No, that's fine though. Right now, oh my gosh. Now I want to do like carpet. Next, I can do some more shelving. Okay. This can go up there. Alright. I think I'm not done the mom and dad's room. I'll do paint. Nope, I'm not done the mom and dad yet. I need to do the paint. There we go. Now I can do the kitchen. Oh my gosh, not kitchen. Do the blue fridge. Next up I'll do this. And then that. I might do... Wait, that might actually work. So then I can do like all of the cups and stuff, yeah. Yeah, okay. I can do that. Okay, that's okay. I'll do a carpet for that. And I might do the table. Okay, one. Come on, two. 1, 2, 3. 4. 5. There we go. That's okay. Okay, now I just need to check them. Check, because they can sit there. That's okay. That's okay. And that's fine. Alright, that's okay. Wait, I'm gonna have like a teenager though, because like, oh my gosh, the room is so loud. Can I actually turn that down? Okay, turn it off. Turn it off. There we go, that's annoying. Whatever, that's fine. Now you can go back in there. Next up, I might do, I'll put some, wait, I can add the toaster there. I can do, wait, I can add this. And I might do that in every single room. Just go with that room. Because they can have, oh my gosh. Ah! One, go. Alright, whatever. There we go, that's good. Okay, that's done. Done that. Okay, already have a toaster. That means I can do that. And I'll fill up some cups. 1, 2, 3. The cups can get right up there. On each shelf. So, 3, 4, 5. Next up I can do some spoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2. Oh my gosh, come on. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. No. 1, 2. Oh my gosh. What? Come on. Please. What? Only one. What? Alright, that's okay. Whatever. Now I can do this. And add that. And I might add a spatula. And one of the big knives. And and those two can actually go. Oh my gosh. 1. Get off. Ugh. Seriously? There we go. That's okay. Now I might do some stuff in the fridge. Let's add stuff in the fridge. Not from that way. Milk. I can add milk. Milk. Ugh. Okay. Cheese pops. I'm gonna do iced one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, oh my gosh, 9. So, go. That's better. That's better. Yoink. Alright, next up I might do I might do I'm gonna make some macaroons. That and this. Yoink. Oh my gosh, is it on the? Oh yeah, it's on the ground. There you go, macaroons. I might make some more. So let's do that. 1, 2. Oh my gosh, wait, what? What am I doing? There we go, that's there. I'll move that up there. Go. Now I'll put that in the fridge. I'm gonna do next up the egg on this. Wink. Go. Oh my gosh. Wait. What am I doing? What? Ugh. Alright, there we go. Now they can each have these. 1, 2, 3. Because they went Halloween. Oh my gosh. Come on. I want to make like a wrap. Alright. Wrap. Alright, okay. I'm gonna make some sushi now. Okay. Wait, did I already have the sushi? No, I didn't. Come on. Alright. Next up I make some sushi, cucumber, whatever. Okay, cucumber and cucumber. Alright, next up let's do some rice. Now you can put those together. Okay, I'm done the fridge. You can shut that. Okay. Next up, I might add some stuff that might be very good. That bucket. No, why 3 buckets? Like, why 3 buckets? I don't even need 3 buckets. Okay, this is going to be the annoying part, but I'll be honest. That and this. Done. Okay, I might do the color now. Okay. Okay. Let's do white walls, and then Go, and then I might do these. This can be pink, and then this will be like a white. Alright, I think that's it. Okay, next up, I might just do like a lot of plants all over here, maybe like thousands of plants. Alright, next. Okay, oh my gosh. Next up, I'll do like a little bit. And I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.